how to search for a channel in Slack.
You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and click on the search bar at the top. Type the name of the channel you want to find. 2. Use keywords related to the channel topic if you don't remember the exact name. Slack will suggest relevant channels as you type. 3. If you're looking for a private channel, ensure you have access to it. Private channels won't appear in search results unless you're a member. Click on Filters in the search results and select Channels to refine the search, making it easier to find the right one. 5. If the channel still doesn't appear, go to the sidebar, click More, and select Browse Channels to see a list of all available channels. 6. You can also use the Slack mobile app to search for channels by tapping the search icon and entering the channel name or keyword. 7. Once you find the channel, click on it to join, if it's public, or request access, if it's private. Now, you can start participating in discussions.